Today I got a mystery box surprise.
Oh, sounds exciting, Eva. So Eva has been sent a mystery box of slime. Thank you very much, Zuru Toys.
Thank you very much, Zero Toys.
But here is your box.
And
have a little look. Whoa, look at that slime. That looks amazing.
I think this is sand slime.
Oh, have you got some sand? So let's have a look at what you've got.
Unicorn putty.
Right, take all your bits out.
Unicorn putty.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So we've got some fun foam, which looks awesome. And if we have a look on the back, oh, it looks like it might glow in the dark, Eva. Next up, we've got never wet sand. Wow. So I'm guessing you can put it in water and it doesn't get wet. We'll do an Instagram video for this one and find out exactly how this sand never gets wet. Wow, check out the colours of that, guys. That is amazing. And that is rainbow slime. So it looks like it's got some pink and some orange in there.
We got unicorn putty slime.
So Eva's really excited about this. So it's putty and it's unicorn.
Yeah,
Unicorn putty.
I'm really wishing for this one and this one.
So, oh, actually, Eva, it is unicorn poop. So if we turn it round on the back,
Yummy.
it's got lots of different colours. It says you can tear it, stamp it. Oh, if you stamp it, it changes colour. Bounce it and stretch it.
Unicorn poop.
Oh, you got purple poop. Oh, so it comes in a little bag so it doesn't dry out.
It smells lovely.
I don't know that poop smells lovely either. Maybe unicorn poop smells lovely. Unicorn.
Oh.
Tear it. Oh wow, look at that.
I'm gonna stamp it.
No, stamp it with your hand, not your foot.
Oh, what colour?
Oh, so we're actually stamping it with our feet. And it's got a bit pink on the top. Oh my gosh, that's so bouncy. Oh, ah! That's it, stretch it. Oh wow, look how stretchy that is. Oh my gosh. Oh look, and the more you stretch it, it's starting to be pink. And the good thing about this putty is you can stretch it and do all kinds of things with it, and it doesn't stick to your clothes or your carpet. The magic mix slime. Oh my gosh, look at these eyes. So exciting. There you go, guys. So once you finish playing, you can put it back in its tin for later, so it doesn't dry out. Now for the big boy. Look how excited she is to get in there. There it is, guys. We've got orange and pink, and oh my gosh, it looks so gloopy. Oh my gosh. That is so gloopy. Whoa.
What's about the...
Oh wow, look, they're separate. Has it got plastic in there, surely?
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to say, that would be pretty amazing if they were
Together.
Oh my gosh, that is literally so gloopy.
Yes. It's gloopy.
Whoa, look at that, guys.
It's like... Oh, it's following. Hey, stop following my hand.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Is it mixing? Have you mixed it? Or is it? No, it's not mixing.
Yes.
So cool though.
It's like metallic slime.
It's like metallic-y, isn't it? That pink is so metallic-y. How pretty. Whoa. I don't think you'll be able to do it with that slime.
Big
You
bubble.
should have made a big bubble. It's too gloopy for that. Let's try though. Wow, look at that, guys.
It's mixing. It's like metallic.
That is so cool. It kind of reminds me of Tutti Frutti now. Look at the colour of it. Pink and orange all mixed together. Whoa. Oh wow.
going
Where's
to...
your hand guard?
It's going to make me all metallic.
Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
This is my favourite slime, guys.
Is it your favourite? Because it's so messy. Whoa, look at that air bubble. So guys, we've opened the slime up today. What we're going to do is open the sand and we'll put that on Instagram TV. So make sure you've got Instagram TV on your Instagram.
Oh.
Look at the mess.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Put your thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.
Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, guys, and click on the bell to be notified of our new videos.